It's Congresswoman Kelly Morrison here with Sophia, and we're here at Second Harvest Heartland today talking about SNAP cuts. And one of the things that came up, and there's been a lot of conversation about across the country, is waste, fraud, and abuse as a reason to cut SNAP benefits. And I'm just wondering if you could speak to that.
Yeah. So what's really interesting is there is so little evidence of waste, fraud, or abuse in the SNAP program. I think the fraud rates are well under 1%. And so when you think about how many people are on SNAP, how many groceries it purchases, it's actually kind of amazing what an effective program it is. And so when you think about all of the ways that SNAP helps the federal government make sure people are doing well, right? All of the costs that it offsets from healthcare problems to kids doing well in school, even local grocery and economic impact. Cutting SNAP is really about a short term solution that's going to have a lot of long term costs. So, the idea that it is a way to fix waste, fraud, and abuse or unnecessary spending is just simply not true. And in fact, investing in SNAP is one of the smartest investments our federal government can make.
I could not have said that better myself. You know, as a physician, I think about the social determinants of health a lot. And we know that between 10 and 20% of what makes someone healthy happens in a doctor's office or a hospital. 80% or so are the social determinants of health, and nutrition is foundational to that. So this is an investment in the now in people's lives, but also the long term so that they can live healthy and thriving lives. Thank you so much for your work, and thanks for clearing up that misconception.